If you've ever done an internet search for lawyers, you know there are a lot of us out there. As a consumer of legal services, it can be very difficult to compare and evaluate your options, especially in family law. Because to be frank with you, most family lawyers are pretty fungible, which is to say that the outcome you're likely to achieve in a case isn't going to vary much from case to case, especially if you have an uncontested matter or a low conflict matter that isn't likely to go to court. But for that subset of matters that are contested, where the likelihood of going to court is high, you want to have a lawyer with good credentials, with proven ability. And I think what separates me from my peers is that I did attend top schools. I did start my career at a marquee global law firm. Not a lot of lawyers possess those credentials, especially in family law. And given the stakes in family law, where your children's future is on the line, where your financial future is on the line, you want to have a lawyer with proven ability, with solid credentials. And I think that's something that I bring to the table. You can hire a smart lawyer, but he may not necessarily return your phone calls or respond to your emails. In fact, one of the most common complaints I receive from folks who hire me after firing their last lawyer is that he wasn't responsive enough. I don't operate that way. I'm there for my clients 24 hours a day. I respond to emails within 24 hours. I'll take calls on the weekends. I am always available when my clients need me, and that's a critical part of providing effective representation. One of the consistent themes that you'll hear from my clients if you read my reviews is that my approach to practicing law is an aggressive one. I've been accused of being too aggressive, and I don't make any apologies for that. Family law can be mean, it can be nasty, and if you're going to go through a gauntlet like that, you want to make sure you have somebody on your side who's willing to fight for you aggressively every step of the way. The cases that I take on are not just another case to be shuffled along the process. They're causes. That's why I'm selective in the cases that I take on, because I do think it's important that I share my client's passion, that I believe in the objectives that they're trying to accomplish. So if you're looking for a lawyer who's smart, who's thorough, who's aggressive, who's willing to get you through what is arguably the most difficult personal challenge you've ever faced, then I encourage you to give me a call.